Before we look at the Flight InDesign plugin, let's consider the challenge that it addresses. Adobe InDesign was created long before cloud-based asset management was popular. InDesign links point to assets in the file system, so most forms of connectivity to cloud-based DAMs such as Flight have depended on the file system to serve as an intermediary. This meant there were three bad ways you could connect to cloud assets from InDesign. You could download assets from the cloud DAM, but that means multiple copies of the assets and the need to relink. Or you could sync folders with the cloud DAM, but this is slow and defeats the purpose of a DAM in the first place. Finally, you could basically use WebDAV or Adobe Drive to impersonate a file system and then talk indirectly to the DAM. This approach is known for terrible performance. The Flight InDesign plugin solves all of this by talking directly to the asset from right within InDesign, without referencing the file system at all. Here's how it works. By simply dragging an asset into InDesign from Flight, a direct URL link is established. This means the assets stay in Flight, right where they belong. If you, or anyone else in your organization, uploads a new version of the asset, Flight will let you know immediately so you can reference that new version. The Flight InDesign plugin also lets you toggle between the high-res and low-res versions of the same asset from the links panel. The next version of the plugin makes it even easier to work with InDesign and Flight, as we've literally put the entire Flight interface into InDesign. You no longer have to move between a browser and InDesign to access the full set of Flight features. For more information, go to canto.com/flight.